Ejaculation Guru claims that it can help people to learn how to last longer in the bed with over 95% successful rate. The program is about how to get rid of premature ejaculation naturally and improve your relationship successfully. Have you ever heard about the secrets and techniques of how to last longer in the bed? How to control premature ejaculation? Perhaps, like many other people, you are trying to seek and search for solutions to your problem of premature ejaculation. It is hard to tell your partner about your issue because it can ruin your relationship. So have you found right solutions yet? Click the link in the description below this video for details. Well, not all men admit that they have issue of premature ejaculation, but most of them may not be able to control their ejaculation. It means they are not able to please their woman in the bed when premature ejaculation occurs during sexual intercourse. It is obvious that sex is one of the most important parts in a relationship. If you cannot perform well in the bed, you may ruin your relationship. The simple reason is that sex is considered as the key figure to express successfully the sublimation of love and intimacy. If your lover has ever said to you that she doesn't feel satisfied, you should think about solutions to consolidate your relationship immediately. Of course, you may feel ridiculed or humiliated when this happens. This can also cause you to lose self-confidence. This is really a bad situation that you are facing. Seeking for solutions is needed before it ruins your relationship. There is still hope for you if you want to satisfy your lover, if you want to prolong the sexual activities and perform well in the bed, and if you want to deal with premature ejaculation. Jack Graves' Ejaculation Guru is designed to help you learn how to perform well and last longer in bed. By applying the tested and proven techniques of the program, you will be able to improve and cement your relationship since your lover will be happier with great satisfaction. You finally can deal with the premature ejaculation safely, naturally, and successfully. Lots of men face the fear of not being able to control their premature ejaculation. It may lead to uneasiness, stress and problems in their relationships. Seeking and searching for solutions is really needed. The Jack Graves Ejaculation Guru is created to help you overcome this sexual burden. Using the program, you will be able to learn the two main aspects that cause premature ejaculation, physical and psychological. The specific analysis will help you understand the issues well and how to apply useful tricks and tips to control premature ejaculation permanently. It helps you to improve your sexual life successfully and effectively. In addition, this will also help you have great self-confidence and intimacy in your relationship. Click the link in the description below this video for details.